as an elephant with a big arcade sneeze, it blew off the hats of the chimpanzees. The monkeys all shouted, "Oh no, what a breeze!" And parrots spun loops around cheese trees. A hippo in tutu tried catching the caps, but slipped on a banana, oh no, mishaps. The bananas laughed loud, "You're a dancing sap." So she twirled into a pool, splish, splash, clap. The sun giggled so hard it turned rainbow bright, and the moon wore pajamas to join the nightlight. A snail raced a rocket, what a wild sight, while broccoli sang opera with all its might. A penguin in goggles rode a skateboarding bee, yelling, "Watch out, I've got Steiner espresso." The bees rolled their eyes, "That's not how it's done. You stir with your flippers, now frothy spin, hun." Now the elephant's sneeze became the best game, as the jungle threw a party with no one to blame. So if you hear achoo, just yell, "Bless your name," and dance like a noodle. It's never the